Welcome to 1P Algorithms. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up the one-pass strategy on a single account. All right, let's get started. First, you'll create your simulation account. In the account window, go to the name field and type one-pass, then click OK. Next, at the top of the control center, go to Connections and choose the connection you want to use. Then, at the bottom of the control center, click on the Strategies tab. Next, inside the Strategies tab, right-click, then press New Strategy at the top. After that, go to Prime and click on One Pass. Now, since you're using one account, look to the right side under Properties. At the top, you'll see Trading Days, and just below it, you'll see Parameters. In Parameters, find Account Side and choose Follow Breakout. Next, in the Data Series section, change the type to HFT bars and set the value to 13. Then, under Setup, you'll see an option for Account. Choose the account you'll be using one pass on. Once that's done, click OK at the bottom. And finally, make sure the strategy is enabled. And that's it. Your one pass strategy is now set up and running on your account. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more 1P Algos walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and happy trading.